Welcome back to Moto Rider, the channel where we bring you the latest updates from the world of motorcycles. Today, we are excited to talk about the 2026 Honda Fury, a bike that continues to redefine the meaning of factory-built chopper style. With the official launch of the new 2026 model, Honda has once again proven that bold design and everyday reliability can exist in one powerful machine. The 2026 Honda Fury stays true to its iconic long and low chopper stance, but this time it comes with refined details that make it feel more premium and modern. The stretched frame, extended front forks, and aggressive rake angle immediately grab attention, making the Fury one of the most recognizable cruisers on the road. Honda has introduced updated paint schemes for 2026, featuring deep metallic finishes and sharper graphics that enhance the bike's muscular personality while keeping its classic chopper DNA alive. At the heart of the 2026 Honda Fury is the trusted 32CV twin engine, designed to deliver smooth yet strong torque across the rev range. This engine is tuned for relaxed cruising, offering effortless power on highways and city roads alike. Honda's fuel injection system ensures consistent throttle response and improved efficiency, making the Fury not just a show bike but a reliable daily cruiser. The engine's deep exhaust note adds to the emotional riding experience that cruiser lovers crave. Comfort and control have also been refined in the 2026 model. The low seat height makes the Fury accessible to a wide range of riders, while the forward-mounted foot controls provide a laid-back riding position ideal for long rides. Honda has fine-tuned the suspension setup to deliver better stability and smoother handling, even on uneven roads. The wide rear tire not only adds to the aggressive look but also improves road grip and confidence at higher speeds. In terms of technology, the 2026 Honda Fury focuses on simplicity.
Hey everyone, I'm a huge Honda fan. These bikes are powerful, stylish, and ready for adventure. Let's ride.
Cluster that gives riders all essential information without distractions. Honda's legendary build quality ensures long-term durability, low maintenance costs, and excellent resale value, which continues to make the Fury a smart choice in the cruiser segment. Overall, the 2026 Honda Fury is not about chasing trends. It is about owning a bold identity. It offers the look of a custom chopper straight from the factory, combined with Honda's proven engineering and reliability. For riders who want a unique cruiser that stands out wherever it goes, the new Honda Fury is a strong contender. That's all for today. From Moto Rider, if you enjoyed this detailed look at the 2026 Honda Fury, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more official launches and motorcycle updates. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.